6:45 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm is past. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Interstate 94 between mile markers 37 and 49. Interstate 290 between mile markers 14 and 15. Interstate 294 between mile markers 37 and 49. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Triton College, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, and Wrigley Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KW039 Chicago. Severe weather.
What did I just walk into?
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. This is the same area which received 2 to as much as 3.5 inches Saturday. Additional amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible with these storms and will produce quick runoff and flash flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chicago, Cicero, Evanston, Skokie, Des Plaines, Irwin, Oak Park, Park Ridge, Maywood, Morton Grove, Franklin Park, Forest Park, River Forest, Harwood Heights, Rosemont, Meigsfield, Montrose Harbor, Navy Pier, Lincoln Park, and Nile.
Okay,
Turn
here's
around.
another EAS
Don't drown when
scenario.
encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Park, River Forest, Harwood Heights, Rosemont, Montrose Harbor, Ocean Airport, Lincoln Park. In north central Illinois, southwestern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois until 7 p.m. At 6:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Serena, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marseilles, Serena, Sheridan, Newark, Millington, and Lisbon. Interstate 80 between mile markers 96 and 110. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is
I don't want to have to edit all this.
Maywood, Brookfield, Westchester, Forest Park, River Forest,
No,
Riverside,
I have to.
Maxfield, Navy Pier, Bellwood, Hillside, North Riverside, Bridgeport, Forest View, Hyde Park, and Douglas Park. The taste of River North is included in this warning. This includes University of Chicago, Hawthorne Park, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, U.S. Cellular Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, the Loop, Museum of Science and Industry, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago, Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County,
Where am I counting?
northwestern Indiana, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Willow Springs to near Chatham, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, East Chicago, Cherville, Lansing, Westmont, Highland, Blue Island, Munster, Dalton, Park Forest, Alton, Madison, and Frankfort. This includes Purdue University, Calumet, Toyota Park, University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Moraine Valley Community College, Prairie State College, South Shore Railcat Baseball, South Suburban College, and Museum of Science and Industry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Hold up, this is a problem. Hold on. Sounds like a World War III up in here. I'll call you back.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for marshal waters from Gary to Michigan City, open waters from Little Lake Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 8:30 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., a strong thunderstorm located 5 nautical miles southeast of Northerly Island, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will reach Burns Harbor around 7:45 p.m. and Michigan City around 8:05 p.m., though outflow winds will likely arrive 15 minutes ahead of the storms. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor cover immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service.